Allah raises a man. And when that man is raised, he performs the same mission that Yahya alayhi salam performed, to announce the coming of the Messiah. And when Isa alayhi salam comes down on the wings of two angels, his hands are, he comes down in front of that man. And that man says, here he is, this is the son of Mary. There was a fellow in Qadian who said, he was the fulfillment of the prophecy of the return of the son of Mary. But he had a serious problem. The Messiah who is to come is the son of Mary. And Mirza Ghulam Ahmad was the son of a Punjabi woman. He had a problem. This man who says, here he is, this is the son of Mary, that is Imam al-Mahdi. That is Imam al-Mahdi. It fits into the historical model perfectly.